Hey guys, what's up? It's Joe Reddy from Reddy's Rides. I'm here at the DuPont Cars and Coffee event, third Saturday of every month, and we have a special unveil just for you. This is from Specialty Vehicle Engineering. This is a 2019 GMC Canyon that they've done some changes. They now have converted it into a GMC Syclone. So let's talk a little bit of history about General Motors Truck Company and their Syclone. In the early 1990s, they came out with this all-wheel drive, high-performance truck powered by a V6 turbocharged engine. Unbelievable 0 to 60 in that truck. I remember being in my marine biology class, reading an issue of Car and Driver, and seeing that the Syclone actually beat a Ferrari 348 in the quarter mile. GMC decided not to really play very long in that performance truck segment, but guess what? With SVE, they now have taken it to the next level, have brought back that iconic name, and I think they've really done it a great way at some great performance. So let's go ahead and dive into this 2019 GMC Syclone from SVE. Love the styling of the Canyon, but when you take it to the Syclone, definitely got to be black. Blacked out grille. I love down here with the flat black portion, they decided to put a Syclone front plate on it, really reminiscent of what people were doing back in those early 90s. Love the Syclone script, just very mean in black. What makes it even to the next level is gonna be up on the hood. Check it out. They're not trying to be hiding it or be sneaky. 455 horsepower. So like I said, if you were listening, the original Syclone, that was a V6 turbocharged. This one, V6 supercharged. 455 horsepower. If you're doing your math and you're paying attention, that's the same amount of power as an LT1 V8. So V8 horsepower and a supercharged V6. We're gonna show that off to you in a second, but let's go ahead, come around the corner here. I love the wheel and tire setup that they went. 275s at all four corners. So 275 is your width, 45 series tire, 20-inch wheel. I love the flat black. I love the massive 6-piston calipers, and I think it was so smart for SVE to take the Syclone badging on the calipers, on the wheels, and then look at the brakes. This isn't about just adding a supercharger and calling it a day or putting some logos and stickers on. Those brakes are nothing but the business. Aluminum hats, they're slotted, and if you look at how ventilated they are, I don't know if Tom could show you, the ventilation on those brakes are massive. That is important. If you've got a truck that's now producing 455 horsepower, you're gonna wanna be able to stop it at the end of the quarter mile, and this thing is gonna stop on a dime. As we come down the side, I like the way they just kept it simple. Syclone badging on the lower portion of the door. It's not a bunch of racing stripes and all these things all over the place. Nice, clean, very subtle. Gonna surprise you once that loud pedal is stepped on. As we work towards the bed of the truck, you can see, like I was telling you, 275s at the rear, so you have 275s all four corners, and just really think that this wheel is spot on. As we come around the rear of the truck, I think the actual setup is so clean. So you can see, nice Syclone badge. I'm glad that they didn't go with red. I'm glad they kept it flat black. You got the flat black exhaust, has a really wonderful sound from that supercharged V6, and then you can see, limited edition from Specialty Vehicle Engineering. It's one of 100. So this is something that if you want one, you better get on it because they may be all sold out by the time you get to the end of this video. But why don't we go ahead, we talked about the outside, let's go ahead and check out the heart of this Syclone. All right guys, hood is popped on this Syclone. I haven't been able to say that for years because the Syclone was never repeated, but look how clean this setup is from SVE. I love that it's not about, hey, we gotta put a bigger hood, we gotta do all this stuff. That supercharged engine, 455 horsepower, just the setup so clean and so precise, something that you would expect to see from SVE. And if you are thinking, well, I know SVE is related to SLP, believe it or not. So that is the nice connection to the past with all the General Motors products over the years, from the Pontiac Firebird, Chevrolet Camaro, and now SVE continuing that performance connection with this supercharged V6. But why don't we go ahead and check out the interior and see if they've done anything inside this Syclone. All right guys, GMC Syclone, unbelievable. Did they do anything to the interior? I'm happy to say yes. If you look, it's nice and subtle. It doesn't have to be, a bright red steering wheel or anything like that, but I love what they've done with the interior. A little bit of red, contrast stitching, a nice white contrast stitching on the side, and just very simple and clean, and that's all you need. Maybe you could see down the road putting in some racing harnesses or something if you're gonna take this to the drag strip, but that's something that I think an owner would definitely have high up on their list. You're not gonna see too many of these at Home Depot, but you better watch out at your local drag strip, or when you look over at a stoplight. I wouldn't just automatically assume it's a GMC Canyon, but that's the wonderful thing about this package is they have left no stone unturned. They've changed the exterior, they definitely changed underneath the hood, and they added some extra specialness to the interior as well. But if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's wrap this one up. All right, guys, it's been a crazy day here at the DuPont Cars and Coffee. The unveil of this 2019 GMC Syclone from SVE. If these are the types of things you like to see on Rady's Rides, and I know that it is, leave a comment in the comment section. If you're new to the channel and you're on your way out, hit that subscribe button. I promise you it's worthwhile coming back for more. If you are a subscriber, thank you for being part of the Rady's Rides family. If you want us to keep making great content like this, get yourself some merch, click that link in the description, takes you right to Spreadshirt. I gotta give it up to Big Guns McGee, Tom Moschner, working the tan lines, working the camera, working the muscles. That's what he's all about. Check him out on Instagram at MoschPhotos. And just like always, guys, I'll see you on the next ride.